Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chibera here as always and as usual. On today's episode, I'll be taking you back in time to the roots of Enugu's core identity. I'll be showing you the reason why Enugu is known as the coal city state. I'll be taking you on a tour of Enugu's heritage ground where it all started. So the breathtaking views of the mountains, the ancient plant machineries, and so much amazing and beautiful views are views you cannot afford to miss. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video and get started with the tour.
Eba no properly central workshop. Central workshop. Mana arụ ọrụ turners na ebe ọfụma. Ndị other fitters dịka welders and so on ebe ka ha na-anọ. Mgbe a na-aga ọ bụrụ na ihe a dị open na ebe n'ime odo na ọdụ hozi. Asị m na dịka anyị na-ekwu ebe anyị na-agafe kita by my left. Ebe a bụ a na-akọwa na ọ bụ proper central workshop. Okay. Ebe a bụ central workshop mgbe a na-arụ ọrụ. Ọ nọghọziri machinery juru ebe a eju. Ọ dụghọzi inexistent. Anyị na-anya n'ebe a. Ebe a bụ a dam. Dam. Anyị ji aka anyị construct ha. Akpọchie mmiri ọfụma n'ebe a dị open. Akpọchie ya. Ebe a niile na-eju, ihe afịa niile ebe a jupụta na mmiri. Mmiri esi n'ebe a by force na-abanye n'ime tank dị ebe anụ. Then the pump and pump say into the reservoir. Anyị ga-afụ mgbe anyị ga-amachide azụ. Ọ pụtasị ebe anụ nwa. Treat anya ebe anụ nwa. Treat anya. A pump say ebe reservoir ahụ ga-afụ mgbe anyị ga-apụta. Mgbe anyị ga-anachide azụ. That is the dam. Akọlọs ebe anụ. Abụghị ebe anụ nwa. Ị ga-afụkwa the office or the workshop n'ime ihe anụ ọfụma. Look at the back. Ọ na-abụ anyị amabanye ọdụ dangerous for your health. Now, experience Enugu. Experience Enugu. We are climbing. When we are maybe damage. If for Bogantare, electric from that main processing front. On our link from here, on top. Of this, therefore, cool. A process. So got that country. Nabagota. Name. I need a shape and a bottle of pia. And meet Eba up. Also, across Eba to this place. Eba Kega, we cool that's a grass. In grades 0 to 20, 20 to 50, 50 to 200, or 200. On top of our journey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bunkers in different grades. Then, you have clean coal bunker, clean coal bunker, clean coal bunker. Oh yeah, Banua, Nabogo Banua. Ega, even conveyor. There's no Banua pota. I give me never after Banua. I need the train or motor. There's never an apple. There's no fear. You're gonna feel at home. If I need it, you will gather. Can you have a matter for the chacha? This first floor. Because wow, for the machines. Electric motor and drive that's a country. On about the train, Nagano Priha. Train, Nebukura. The rail is under it. Then that is the office. Maybe the operator now when they officer, one thought officer.
Okay.
Okay. The operator now maybe when they load here. The red, Anjanine, I got Van Ranch Anjanine. Red when they ban in the cafe. They will call Bukita. This particular one, Bonkendi Britain or Nka, Britain, Ronka, upon the Poland Ronka or Britain Ronka. Then you see, you have a tunnel. Get shape when they buy a ducat. Man, gantry. She was from here. Link was here. Now, Look at this gantry. Open a butako from opera mine or any other thing. I think I forgot. I won't under this place. Gant a bullet or jam ibe, but go never with science. Look at you are going to the Yana Cafe Monquem. Even I will go around. They put there from tip. Even I have on the ground. We have a railway. That water, sir.
This zinc.
And Nanka. I think powerful. Railway quarters.
Okay, quarters.
I know the way I walk on your hands. Okay. Kind of there, look at that bunker. This one is center. Upon cool, every cool from opera mine through rope way. Eba on a winner. I think 12 bunkers bunker. Then Anna over the on the ground now or turns that back. Yawunyeba. She's neighbor brewed from Gantry. We will use the men the bagan of Sakuras. Hanch up at through Gantry. One Bukendi Britain, one and others Bukendi Urandero. Officer, this is the yard. In a road cool. That don't. Okay, yeah. All the money. I neighbor for I go over. Cabin, deal with this biz. You check about my neighbor. You remember, no, baby. Convey your bed, not drop go from all these things. On that drop where we shave bada, we ever know. Then, if you never know about on top of that structure itself, not this one, not this one, not because I'm a see, but now, from there, I don't know where South Africa has. Separate with them. On a drop from this shoot. On a drop, the conveyor belt. On a drop, the belt. Belt, the blue way to another drop and care. Okay, was in straight. Mana, up and right, the whole conveyor belt. I mean, what's the get? This is our reserve here. By below, Egushi, maybe not that I'm damn million. Million, I'm family. Not that we anybody treat. This is the quiet book that they ban on. Then the story, the most smallest particle of coal goes here. We should be a pump was by an more centrifuge, which is centrifugal for only up to 5 million on email. Then the coal still remain. Although in can, as you ask, in Canada in powder form. Yeah, okay, mixed with milli. Buku, yeah, dust. Yeah, mix it with milli. Am I with you? I won't even a pump choir or by name. A sieve or does it in normal powdered form. Remember, not dry, not all that dry. Anyway, take along, load away with the go right there. Depending on the size needed. I buy a bucket. Buying a roll, I won't be roof, chacha. Or open. I buy name and only about Diana on the area. Man, under it is a wonderful workshop and offices under this thing. Anyway, episode family, Julia. My names are Evangelizer Matthew Annie. NB, Evangelizer, not evangelist. I'm a Catholic, a catechist of the Catholic Church. seeing this plant when it started 1977. I was sent to Poland for training about this plant. The plant started and they are working very, very well. The Polish who built this plant, we have a dam here. The dam helps us to collect the domestic water for use in this plant. The spring water up there, we can even use it for drinking. It's a spring water, pure spring water. I showed them this, what do you call it? The clean coal bunker, with capacity of about 2,000 tons. And equally, the byproduct bunker. I also showed them the British bunker, the bunker built by the Britain that collect coal from one of the mines called Opara Mine. Collectively, the raw coal bunker, equally containing about 2,000 tons.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
With the countries, when it exists, they are now demolished. And I'm not seeing the countries again. The country connect from the plant itself to clean coal bunker. The clean coal from the plant itself to byproduct bunker. The storage bunker. I'm talking of the countries to the plant themselves. I suggest to the federal government to come back to revitalize this plant instead of giving certificates to the drinking chemicals, call it beer, whatever. I suggest to the federal government to come back so that our children in schools will have something doing.
I'm Dr. Mrs. Onyejekwe Ijoma, Chief Heritage Officer of National Commission for Museums and Monuments. I'm a registered town planner at Nigerian Institute of Town Planners. I'm also a member of the International Council on Monuments and Sites. Yeah, well, this place is not actually a coal mine. The mines are still there for the coals to be exploited, all right? And the facilities here are already obsolete with the new techniques we already have. So even if they want to do it, it's not exactly what we have here that they will have to use.
When you get out there, they tell you Enugu, the coal city and all that. A lot of people are like wondering, where is the coal? Where does the coal come from and all that? And until one gets to this particular spot, this is where everything about the coal is. So this place is actually the beehive of activity of collection of coal and all that, you know, and it's supposed to be not just a tourist center, but a thriving industry. I don't know why, you know, they allowed it to be what it is. This is a heritage of monumental value, but a lot of people don't know about it. Even the government don't care about it, which is a surprise. Something that has been here since 1910 or so or thereabout, and it's an industry that actually elevated the southeast, not just in Enugu, the southeast, produce personalities, produce infrastructures and all that, but you allow it to just wear down. It shows that we don't care about our heritage. And apart from this, there are others. Okay, let me hint you one. Enugu State has just one national monument, one. But as I tell you now, the government don't even know where it is.
There's a mining site, the talc mine for powder in Italy, that valley. The mine was closed, you know, for environmental reasons. But do you know what they did? Rather than for them to leave it to decay like ours, they turned it into a tourist attraction, where they have an underground mine, where they have museums and simulations. When you enter inside, you see the way they were working in the past. You see the helmet, you see the jacket, you see the miner's cap, you see the pickaxe, you see everything that was used in the mine. And the first day that place was opened as an eco museum, it generated 800,000 euros. So why can't we adopt this? Do you know the good thing about it is that despite that was adopted, it did not change the history of the mine. So we can do it. That's what we call tourism. educational tourism. And that's what ICOMO stands for. ICOMO stands for keeping the heritage. When you keep the heritage, you still enjoy other economic and social values. You don't compromise the integrity of the site. You don't compromise, or the attributes of the site still remain intact. But still, you will still be able to use it to generate the needed revenue, or to be socially enjoyed by the public. So I think the Nigerian government can do this. We have professionals, we have experts, we have NCMM, we have expert NCMM, we have international experts who are Nigerians, ICOMOS Nigeria, that are available for this. And public-private partnership. This is something they need to sit together. You understand? Since they left it for the government, and the government, this thing was decaying and people were stealing. But when this new person came in, he kind of forestalled the destruction of this place. But this is what the government themselves would have declared a state or a national need. So what we need is a round table discussion on how we can move forward. The person who bought the place can do his business without compromising the importance of this place, the history of this passage.
My name is Okichike Funaya, and I'm from Federal Government College Enugu. I feel that Enugu should have a huge dedication to this place, because without here, Enugu wouldn't have been what it is today. As they said here earlier, this place stems from Enugu City, not just Enugu State, which means that this whole monument is older than Enugu State itself. Which is that without the development of this place, Enugu would be nothing. It would just still be a underdeveloped site. I feel like we shouldn't just forget about this place. That this place has played a huge role in our history. That we shouldn't just abandon here. That we should push it forward. My advice is that we should take our time to visit more of these historical sites, so that we can get a deeper insight on Enugu State's history. Because this isn't just, like you have said, this isn't just the only place where we can come to get a rich understanding of what has gone on in our states.
And that is that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I did. Although there's been talks about the usefulness of coal as an energy source becoming unsustainable in recent times, I do believe, however, that sites like this shouldn't be left to rust the way this one has been abandoned. In that light, ICOMOS, in partnership with UNESCO, have proposed a profitable opportunity to the government, asking them to convert and revitalize this coal preparatory plant into a national monument. They've asked the government to construct a museum which will pay homage to both the process of coal mining and to the past workers of Enugu coal plant. I hope they do that. Fingers crossed while we look into that. However, I hope this video lived up to your expectations. What do you think about this plant? What do you think the government should do or can do, even private individuals? Just let me know in the comment section. Let's have a conversation there. And if there are other places you'd like me to share in Enugu, do let me know in the comment section. As your favorite Enugu YouTuber, I'll be there to take you around my city and my state to show you what's up and what's new. Remember to like this video, share with your friends and your family, hit the red subscribe button, and become a member of this family. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.